Ever since Apple banned Fortnite from its App Store in August of 2020, there has been no way to play the game on your iPhone or iPad until now, thanks in part to Nvidia's GeForce NOW cloud gaming service. Now, we've showed you this service in the past. It runs popular AAA games on our Macs via the Nvidia GeForce NOW service, but again, a few weeks ago, a closed beta waitlist was released for those who want to try the Fortnite beta for their iOS devices. I'll leave all of the necessary links in the description down below so you can help you get started, but this is basically how you're going to be able to play Fortnite on your iPhone or iPad. First, you'll need to sign up for the beta. Now, we did this already and we were approved pretty quickly, but this is probably the hardest obstacle as there's no guarantee that you'll be selected. Just for reference, according to some message boards, it does appear that most people who've signed up for the beta were able to get access, so I would at least try it out if you really want to play Fortnite on your iPad or iPhone. And then once you'll get access, you'll need to sign up for GeForce NOW if you haven't already done so. Then add the GeForce NOW shortcut to your home screen and then log in and link your Epic Games account. And that's it. Once you do all of that, you'll see Fortnite sitting right there under the closed beta section of games, and you'll be able to launch right into the current season of the game. Now, the on-screen controls and functionality of the game works as it used to. Everything is very familiar and gameplay is okay. It's not the smoothest thing in the world, but we are running off the free account. And I also really never play games like this using touch controls, so I'd probably just recommend hooking up a Bluetooth controller of some kind. But yeah, for the most part, gameplay was as smooth as it could be for a beta and a game of this stature running on a mobile device, especially when you're using Nvidia's free GeForce NOW account. Now, for those who are unfamiliar with GeForce NOW, again, I do want to give you some info. You do get a free version of the account when you sign up, but it's pretty limited to standard servers, which is probably why my gameplay was a little iffy. And 1 hour of gameplay in a single session is also what you get with that free account. There are subscription options available that can even get you access to the RTX 3080 level of performance and 8 hours of gameplay in a session at one time, and also up to 1440p and 120 Hz on a Mac or PC. There's also 4K gaming involved if you get that top tier level if you have an Nvidia Shield. Of course, I'd love to know your thoughts on all of this in the comments down below. I know it's not as simple as just going to Apple's App Store and downloading it, but this is a pretty easy option to play Fortnite on your iPhone or iPad, so I'd love to know your thoughts about this in that comment section down below. This has been Dan with Mac Rumors. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you around in the next video.